So this will be a water durability test between the Galaxy S9 Plus and the iPhone 10. Now, so you know, both of these devices are water resistant. IP67 rating for the 10 and IP68 for the S9 Plus. I'm gonna pour just plain old water in these two containers, but I'll be giving these containers a little bit of a shake with the water inside. So let's just go ahead and, actually, what am I doing? Let's turn the screens on. Here we go. And as you can see, this is the S9 Plus. Screen is working, and here's the X right there, responding to my touch. Woohoo! There you go. And do the same thing on the 9 Plus. As you can see, very nice. So we'll go for about, I don't know, 3 minutes or so. Yeah, let's go for about 3 minutes-ish. And nope, cannot interact with the screen. I thought so. And what's the iPhone doing? Some weird things. And the S9 Plus is already going nuts. Is that a little bubble right there? Okay. Got a little bubble right there. See that? Pretty cool. Anyway, 32 seconds into it. Here we go. All right, so what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna take each one and I'm just gonna shake it. Okay, actually I'll start with the iPhone first and let's go. Okay, there you go. And do the same thing to the S9 Plus. There you go, give it a little bit of a shake. So I'm gonna be doing that for, I don't know, 3 minutes. I think that'll be cool, right? So let's do this on the iPhone again. Go. Okay, and do the same thing on the S9 Plus. And I'll wait till 120, go. Here we go. Then do the same thing again on the X. And again on the 9 Plus, go. Here we go. So 1:47 into it. So let's see, another minute or so. Yeah, we'll go for about 3 minutes-ish. So what are each phone doing? What are they doing right now? Looks like the iPhone 10, you can see right through the thing, went to messages. Very interesting. And the Galaxy S9 Plus, let's see, what is that, the settings? Yeah, something like that, not really sure. Okay, 2 minutes, 16 seconds, 17, 18, 19, 20. So a little bit more. So I'm gonna go ahead and shake it at the same time right now. Let's go. There we go. 2 minutes, 36 seconds, 38, 39, 40. So I'm gonna give it one final shake at about 2:55, and then we'll call the test. So just a few more seconds until then. 51, 52, 53, 54, and let's go. Here we go. Woohoo! All right, so let's get the phones out. Let's get them out. So these phones are water resistant. I think you should be able to handle that test. Shouldn't be that big of a deal, right? IP67 I think is good enough. If IP67 is good enough, IP68 should be good enough also. All right, we don't need the Pixel 2 XL anymore. Thank you very much, Pixel. Go ahead and put this away. Let's see, put it back here somewhere. All right, here we go. See, let's do a little housekeeping here. All right, now go ahead and let's see. See, get everything situated and get them out at the same time for fairness. Here we go. Here we go. Bada bing, bada boom. All right, so I'm gonna put my container away. You know, I'm trying to keep my tablecloth dry here. Kind of a challenge when you're dealing with water, but gotta do what you gotta do, right? Put this away. All right, let's turn the screens off real fast. Okay, and let's wipe it down. Wipe it down, 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 wipe it down. Okay, flip it over. Wipe this side down. Wipe it down. Wipe it down, wipe it down. Wipe it down. Okay, here we go. All right, so let's give the iPhone a little shake. Make sure to shake off all the water that might have gotten in or did go in. I'm willing to bet in the ports, in the speakers, etc. In the microphone and all that. So yeah, here we go. Give this a little shake. Trying to fling all the water off. Here we go. All right. Then do the same thing on the S9 Plus. Hope I don't accidentally throw the phone doing this. That'd be funny. That'd be hella funny. Okay. Very nice. All right. I think it's pretty much dry. So let's inspect for damages. Now, I did shake the devices in the container with water, but looking at the device right now, let the light hit it a little bit, and I'm not seeing any blemishes on the glass of either phone. Looking at it right now, so I think that's fine. Okay, not seeing any damages on the frame of the S9, and then the X, the frame looks pretty good to me for the most part. Camera lens right here, okay, kind of sticks out a little bit from the body, but still looks pretty much brand new. Very nice. The phone did just vibrate just now. I don't know what that's about, but we'll see. And then the front glass, I'm not seeing any scratches. Okay, so let the light hit it. I'm not seeing anything. Phone looks brand new still. If anything, that actually might be a good thing for these phones. Give it a little bit of a wash. But anyway, let's just unlock the phones right now. Let's see. Screen still works. Let's go into calendar. And yeah, scrolling is fine. Okay, looking at that screen, I'm not seeing any water seepage underneath. Okay, so that still looks good. And then the S9 Plus, let's go into settings. Scrolling is still nice and fast. And looking at the screen right now, I'm not seeing any water seepage either. Not seeing any discoloration or anything like that. Cool. All right, so let's go ahead and test out the speakers. And we'll round off the video. So let's start out with the S9 Plus. Let's see, let's go to YouTube. And let's go search for the song I always play in the background. That's this one. So let's just play this real fast. Okay. Not hearing the volume. That's not good. Okay. Put it next to the mic. Well, I gotta say, that sounds really, really good still. So, gotta give this phone an A+. As of right now, everything still works. And not seeing any physical damage on the device. Pretty good. Pretty good for the S9 Plus. All right, so let's check out the iPhone. Okay, let's go to, let's see, YouTube. And let's search for the same song. Okay. Here you go. And let's play. Oh! Tiny, it doesn't sound that good. Actually starting to sound a little bit better right now. Okay, just put it right next to the mic right there. And I gotta say, the iPhone still sounds pretty good. Very nice. All right, so it looks like both phones survived this real quick water test. So hit me up in the comments and let me know what you thought about this interesting test. Thanks for watching. Peace out.